Hi everyone, in this video I'll be showing you how I created my Canada's Day inspired look. So here are all the items that I used and I'm going to list all of this below. So first I'm starting off with the Pure White NYX eyeliner and I'm going to map everything out I need. Now, I got inspired by this look from a local photographer named Katie. There is her photo there. She captured a stunning photo of that night at fireworks. So right when I seen it, I knew I wanted to recreate it. Well, I'll try my best to recreate it. So I'm just doing the sky here, so you're gonna take some water activated paints, these are the Maron paints, and I'm just making it darker where my neck is, and then you're just gonna start to kind of fade it down and make it a little bit lighter and add in some yellow just to represent the sky. Basically, you just need a dark blue, a black, a white, and a yellow, and you will be good to go here. Next I'm going in with the NYX That's the Point eyeliners and the Epic eyeliner, and I'm going to start to outline everything. So for the buildings here, they're all black, but they have, you know, like the little windows. So I'm just kind of making little squares, and then I'm just going to go in and fill everything in. There's no perfect way to do this. I just made, you know, some random squares in the middle, then on the side, just to kind of make that effect that they are shining in the distance. Some people have their lights on, and then some people don't have their lights on. Again with some water activated paints to make the windows here, so I use yellow and white. Now onto the scenery on the bottom. So we had a little carnival here, so I'm starting to make kind of like the little tops of the tents. I put some little bears, like some prizes hanging, and then basically I'm just adding some random dots, just some kind of like random features. You might see a ride, you might see some light, tops of buildings, kind of just stuff like that. And of course in the photo I did add our Canadian flag, so I'm just mapping out the little maple leaf. Taking some white and filling that in. And then of course we need to put red on the other side, so again you can just look at a photo of, you know, anything you do, just look off a little reference photo and it's very helpful. Next I'm going in with the eyeshadow in Stripped and Bling Bling Bling, and I'm going to make kind of like the little folds on the flag here. So you're going to take Bling on the white portion, so it's a little bit grayer, and then you want to take Stripped where the red paint is, so it's a little bit darker. And I'm also going back in with that Pure White eyeliner just to do a little bit of a highlight. So next, this is the water portion here. So you're going to go back in with some water activated paints again, some blue and some white. In any areas where there is some light posts here, as you see, I'm just adding some white to kind of make it look like the light is reflecting. Next we're going to go on to the fireworks. This is the fun part. So you're just going to draw kind of some random lines, make them very thin, kind of like feathery, you know, so they're flowing out like there are fireworks there from the water. And I'm just taking any colors here. I'm also going in with the NYX Vivid Brights. These ones are really nice because they have a nice little liquid tip. I'm going in with Envy, Sapphire, Now we are going to go on to the face. So for the face, I am priming it first with the NYX First Base Primer, and then I'm going in with the Total Drop Foundation in Pale and Ivory. For the eyes here, for the base, I am using the Vivid Brights in Love Overdose. These are really, really nice and creamy, so I'm putting that all over the base and a little bit underneath my eye. I'm also going to go in with the Vivid Brights cream color in Blueprint, and I'm going to put that right underneath my eye, right on the inner corner, and then right on top of my eye. That's where I'm going to be putting the glitter. I'm also going in with the NYX eyeliner in Midnight. Next for the face here, I'm going to use the eyeshadow in Butterscotch Caramel. This is my absolute favorite color. I love putting it on my face and my body. So I'm taking this and I'm just going to use it as a blush. So I have it on my cheeks, my forehead, underneath my lip, on the sides of my nose and basically my chin, so kind of all over. So after that, we are going to go on to the lips. For the lips, I am using the NYX Intense Butter Gloss Lipstick here in Funnel Delight, and these are so creamy and so shiny. I love it. And then I also added a little bit of that blue glitter onto the center of my lip. So for the hair here, I thought it'd be a fun idea. I wanted to match it with my whole look here and my look on my face. So I took those Vivid Brights in Love Overdose and in Blueprint, and I actually just put them right through my hair. There we have it. My look is completed for Canada's Day. I am proud to do this one, proud to be a Canadian, and that is it, guys. If you did enjoy this makeup, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, don't forget to like, comment, and don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss more videos like this one. Thanks again for watching, and I will see you in the next one.